First look of Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. There have been several reports in the past about the alleged Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Google is obviously working on the next-gen Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Now alleged display and screen protector of the devices have leaked online. In the leaked image, the Pixel 3 XL has a notch like iPhone X. In the notch area, there are 3 round holes. Possibly for 2 cameras, a 3D face unlock sensor and an ambient light sensor. A square one is also there, which is most likely for the front speaker. The Pixel 3 has the regular bezel with 2 big holes, and a square one and a small hole. As per the images of the leaked screen protectors, the lower bezel has also space for something, maybe for a speaker. This is in addition to a few renders of the models which were created by fans. The blog also issued a disclaimer that the renders were based on preliminary information about the respective devices, such as, but not limited to, factory CAD blueprints and live photos of the devices, or accessories thereof. As such, the images found herein may not be fully representative of the final design of the devices. Google is coming after the Apple iPhone with its 3rd generation of Pixel phones. Some of the information in the report matches the image of 2 screen protectors allegedly produced for the upcoming Google Pixel 3 and Google Pixel 3 XL. According to people familiar with the project, the Pixel 3 XL will sport a notch, and features an edge-to-edge display. The bottom bezel will be thicker. The Pixel 3 will look very similar to the Pixel 2. The Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL are expected to come with Snapdragon 845 processor and likely to be launched in 4GB and 6GB models. In all likelihood, they are expected to be launched in various storage models starting from 64GB. Nothing much is known about the phones right now. Google usually launches its Pixel-branded phones in October, so there is a lot of time during which we may hear more about the phones. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.